Hey guys, it's Jason and today I'm gonna show you my no makeup look and also my DIY nose job. So guys, I already did my moisturizer and lip balm, so I'm just gonna start with the primer. Makeup, I'm more into like those more hydrating products than those mattifying. I'm gonna use a concealer, just apply it under the eye, the bridge of the nose, the tip of the nose, the bridge, a little bit in here and here. I'm just gonna take a damp sponge and blend it. I'm gonna use a cream contour, and when I'm like doing my makeup, I'm usually done in like 5 minutes because it's very simple. But if I keep talking, I don't know if I'm ever gonna finish. I'm just gonna take this like little brush. I'm gonna do it in here like this. And then take your concealer and just create like a clean line here. I'm also gonna use this one. And there is my DIY nose job. Now next is for an interesting product, and this is my DIY cream blush. And the white thing over there is actually cream highlighter. Just gonna take a little bit of that and then dab it in your cheeks. Okay, so I literally just put all the blush everywhere in my forehead, the tip of the nose, and around my mouth. I actually watched Doja Cat's Vogue Beauty Secrets, and yeah, I did that. Now let's move on to highlighter, and I already have it here. And if you like, just use this highlighter. It's gonna be like this nice white color that it's just a nice white color. And if you like mix it with this, mix a little bit of this color, it will turn into like a peachy highlighter. So I'm gonna do that peachy highlighter. Wait, look. Do you see that? That looks stunning. Okay, hold on. Now I'm also gonna add the light here. What's good about this is I'm also gonna use this cream to like add color on my lips. So that is it guys, and that is how you do that. Now makeup look, and this is more like a glowy, peachy kind of makeup look, not like no makeup look. Yeah.